Home Remedies presents Why you should put baking soda under your eyes. Dark circles can be caused due to work stress, heredity, tension fatigue, sleep deprivation, etc. Dark circles are common not only for most women, but men too. Sometimes you cannot hide these stubborn dark circles with makeup. If you want to remove dark circles naturally, then the best remedy to try is the one I will share with you today. Ingredients: baking soda 1 teaspoon, water as required, clean bowl. How to prepare? The trick is to mix about 1 teaspoon of baking soda with enough water to create a paste. Don't add too much water, else it will become runny. How to apply? Apply this paste of baking soda under the eyes. Do not rub the paste in, only smear. Rubbing can irritate the delicate skin under the eyes. Leave it there for 20 minutes and it will do its magic. Wash your face with water. You can do this once a week to remove dark circles permanently. It is a proven remedy to get rid of all skin problems including dark circles. Why this works? Baking soda acts as a natural bleach for the skin and lightens the area where it is applied. Precautions: be sure to do a patch test as it can irritate sensitive skin. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.